Did you know that you can walk up and whiteboard on a Microsoft Teams Room's certified ideation board, whether you're in a call or whether you're not in a call? It's as simple as walking up to the board, pressing the whiteboard icon, Microsoft Whiteboard starts in the background, takes a few seconds, and you're ready to go. Then, while you're in your whiteboard session, if you decide to have a meeting, it's as simple as pressing the Start Meeting button. This is a great feature as it allows for the digital sharing of meeting notes that everyone can see and share ideas in one common space, enhancing the overall collaboration experience. If you have any questions around Microsoft Teams Room's certified ideation boards, contact our Data team and we can assist.